You know what's crazy? I waited for 9 months to start something I always dreamed of. Every week I said next week, but that next week never came. For me at least. So today, finally, I am getting ready for a brunch date with my husband. I pressed record again. As you all have seen my last video, I tried to record myself, shared few of the moments with you all, like how it took me 9 months to finally start my YouTube journey. I hope you guys have seen that video. तो मैंने सोचा why not start recording and let's overcome my fear of camera. That's how I'll be able to connect with you all, share my moments, share my stories, motivate you all, share my life experiences. Because this isn't just a get ready with me, this is the new journey. And I seriously want to record myself, feel good, be comfortable in front of the camera, come and talk to you guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalini. I am new to YouTube. I have started making content related to beauty, travel, fun vlogs, and all my life experiences. Let's start with the moisturizer. Let's prep the skin first because no glow ever comes without a little prep. So let's prep my skin. And honestly, I feel life is kind of similar. Like if you want to start something for yourself, you need to make up your mind. You need to start thinking about it. You have to set up your goals. I always used to compare myself with other creators, like how will I get so perfect? How will I be able to come to their level? Will it work out for me? But lately I realized this nothing is perfect in this world. Like you have to start with your imperfections, and I guess this is the best thing that you can do to yourself. हर किसी के अपने imperfections होते हैं, हर कोई किसी ना किसी चीज़ में perfect होता है. So I thought this is my time to show up with my imperfections, and let's start from somewhere and let's see how this goes. I think comparison will kill your creativity. You have to start from somewhere. Start wherever you are. And if you have been delaying your dreams too, I see you, I feel you. I planned, I shot the entire videos, and then later I deleted all those. And not even once, not even twice, like 100 of times. I was not feeling confident enough that yes, I can show this side of mine to the world. But yes, I so wanted to create something of my own. Also, one question came to my mind repeatedly: who is even going to watch my videos? And I was like, no one. And that insisted me more to just keep procrastinating, keep delaying the things that I always wanted to do. I was tired of delaying my plans of starting my YouTube channel. हम सब imperfect हैं, हर किसी में कोई ना कोई बुराई है. Nobody is perfect in this world. Like there are such huge names and even they are not perfect. So what kind of perfection I was looking for? I think it was more of delaying things. Like I never wanted to come up like that. And I think we should all stop waiting for that perfect time. Perfect time is today. Like it is today. So start now. While I conceal my dark circles, I am also hiding that 9 months of pure fear of not coming up and not showing up. That was my biggest fear. But unlike makeup, not every flaw needs to be covered. I think some stories need to be seen just like this one. There was this one day I was all set to film, like lights, setup, backdrop, setup, everything. I did like everything. But then I froze, fearing how it would go. Like, that was a very much frightening thought that just kept coming back. And today I realize you have to be brave enough to start or to begin. And I don't know, like, if not today, then when? Maybe someone out there needs to see you start imperfectly. Let's put some sparkling eyeshadow just to sparkle throughout the day. I never used to wear makeup, like not even when I was a kid, when I was in college, never. And not even my parents ever allowed me to wear makeup. I was such a simple girl, never used to apply lipsticks, kajals. Like after I got married, I started doing makeup a little, and then now I realize, like, yes, I can definitely do good makeup. Like, a little bit, I don't overdo it, just to keep it minimal and realistic. Like, just to keep it minimal and very much basic, because I don't want to feel heavy throughout. मुझे बहुत गंदी आदत है to rub my eyes and just to touch my face over and over throughout the day. I know it's not a good habit, and just because of touching my face, I get a lot of pimples. But I am trying to avoid that, and yes, I have started doing makeup, and I think I will become a pro over time. I think so. And let's hydrate the lips. It is, ये ना मेरा बहुत फेवरेट लिप ग्लॉस है. लाइक इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ अ लिप इंजेक्शन फ्रॉम टू फेस्ड. मैंने और कोई प्रोडक्ट के बारे में आई डिड नॉट टेल यू गाइज, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई लव. ये आपको ना थोड़ी सी, लाइक, इट गिव्स यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ टिंगलिंग ऑन योर लिप्स and gives a very much fuller look to your lips. Look at this. After like 1 or 2 minutes, you will feel tingling, and you will see your lips getting plumped. You will see it yourself. And yes, you can definitely put it before applying your lipsticks. Like, apply it first, allow them to hydrate for some time, and then just wipe it off. Or with it itself, you can just cover up with the lipstick. I usually just remove it and then do it because I like matte sort of a look. And now I'm going to just apply a little bit of blush. I was so afraid to start my YouTube channel. I don't know why. I think I was a little scared. Yeah. I thought, I don't know what people would say, how my YouTube videos would look on big screen. And moreover, I was so feared to see myself on camera. I don't know for what. I wipe it off. Look at this. I think they deserve little shine. So I'm using Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 27 Nude. This is my go-to lipstick, like for every function, for outings, everything, because it's a nude color. It goes well with my lips, every outfit, and I always try to keep it as minimal as I can. Look at this. It's so nude and it matches Indian skin tone perfectly. Like, can you see it? Because for the first time in months, I feel happy again, starting something of my own, which I always dreamed of. I feel happy, and honestly, I don't think confidence comes with dressing up. I think confidence comes up with the courage. You just have to show up for yourself. You just have to start. And this isn't just about the branch, it's just about feeling myself again. Put in my lot of hard work in it, and let's see what God planned for me. And just show up for yourself. Just be brave enough to at least show up for yourself. Start today. Show up for yourself when even no one is watching you. 9 months of fear, excuses, self-doubt, and here I am. Finally, let's pick an outfit for me now. Something very plain, simple, and bright. I just want to feel happy today. I got ready for myself. It's just the new beginnings, and I feel so blessed and so grateful that I finally took this step. I am ready for the new version of me. If you are still here, thank you so much for watching this far. This is not just a video, it's a promise to myself for being consistent and showing up on time. If my story made you feel a little braver today, it was worth every second of those 9 months. 9 months of fear, excuses, and doubts. And here I am, finally. You don't have to be ready to start. You have to start to feel ready. If you are watching this video, tell me in comment sections, what's that one dream of yours that you've been putting off for so long now? Write it below in the words, starting today. Because maybe your chapter starts from here with this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because this is just the beginning.